What if we had a problem with a 3-digit divisor? It's the same process. We first of all have to find out where our first number is going to go. So is 2 bigger than 387? No. 29? No. 297? No. Finally, we have 2,979 is finally bigger than the divisor. Whew. Now we have to decide what we're going to use here for rounding. So I'm going to go to the very last number here, or actually maybe the first number. The one next to it, that's a power number. 8's powerful. So we're going to round this 3 up to a 4, and these two numbers neutralize. So our thinking process is going to be with 400, but our calculations are going to be with the 387. All right, so now 4 goes into 2, too small. 4 goes into 29. Well, 7 times 4 is 28. So what we're saying is that 7 is probably the answer for, partial answer, for how many times 400 would divide into this much of the number. But when we're working with the actual calculations, we're going to come back to the real divisor. So you could probably do a side calculation like this if you needed to. I'm going to multiply and distribute sideways. 7 times the ones column, so 7 times 7 is 49. I'm going to put down the 9 and carry the 4. 7 times 8 is 56. 57, 58, 59, 60. Carry the 6. 7 times 8, 56, and 4 more is 60. Carry the 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 7 times 1 is 21, and 6 more is 27. This is where I got the number. If you do the side calculation, it fits here when we subtract, because you've taken a big chunk out of this large number that we started with. Subtract. Easy subtraction. I had no regrouping in that at all. Let's just check. Is this number smaller than the divisor? Yes. Bring down the next number. It's obvious what it is. We need an answer here. This is in a straight column. All right. I'm checking back to this number, and I see this is 2709. This is 2701. I know that when I multiplied by 7, that's the number that I got. This is even easier. I don't even have to go to my thinking number. I know that I need to have a 1 lower, a 6 on this, because I need a slightly smaller number. So 6. Here's your multiplication if you did a side calculation. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 6 times 8 is 48. 49, 50, 51, 52. Put down the 2. Carry the 5. 6 times 8 is 48, and 4 more is 52. Carry the 5. 6 times 3 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 6 times 3 is 18, and 5 more is 23. This number goes there if you're doing the side calculation. There's a lot of regrouping in this one. 11 take away 2 is 7. I'm sorry, 9. 9 take away 2 is 7. 6 take away 3 is 3. 379 is lower than the divisor, so I can bring down the next number, 9. 4 goes into 3, no, into 37, yes. 9 times 3 is 36, so I'm going to use a 9 here. A side calculation would be times 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry the 6. 9 times 8, 72. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Carry the 7. 9 times 3 is 27. 28, 29, 30, 34. Subtract. 316 is smaller than 387. That is our remainder. It's a huge remainder, but we were working with really big numbers. As long as the remainder is lower than the divisor, you're fine.